Greetings everyone. Today I want to do a review of this Cree BR30 light bulb. This is the daylight version, which means it's the 5000 Kelvin. This one is a 100 watt equivalent. The brightness is 1600 lumens. Now your ordinary 65 watt BR30 bulb puts out about 650 lumens. So this is significantly brighter than that. It does come in a 2700 Kelvin warm white version if you like that. And some of the features here. It says it has a color rendering index of 90 plus, and that is excellent. The highest possible color rendering you can have with any light source is 100. And standard LED bulbs will be around 75 to 80, maybe a little bit higher. But being 90 plus, this will render colors very nicely. It's supposed to last 22.8 years. Fully dimmable. It says no buzz or hum. Satisfaction guaranteed. Let's look at the back side here. It has the same information. And it's showing here that the 65 watt bulbs are good for ceilings that are 8 to 10 feet high, and with ceilings that are higher than 10 feet you want to use a brighter bulb because the light spreads out. So that's kind of what they're pushing this towards. Here's the lighting facts. Pretty much covers everything we said already. And of course here's the bulb itself. Let's get it out of the package and take a closer look. Here's the information. They printed in this light gray. It's kind of hard to see. It's a Cree logo. It's not really lightweight. I wouldn't say it's heavy. It feels like it's got a little bit of weight to it. I really like the design of these bulbs because they can dissipate the heat up here around this part of the bulb rather than down here, because inside this part of the bulb is where the electronic circuit is, and they can keep the heat away from that. The bulb will last quite a long time, so this form factor lends itself better to LED lighting than the A-type. Okay, I have the white balance set to daylight on my camera, and I'll turn this bulb on. Let the camera adjust, and yes, it gives a nice daylight balanced light. Nice even wide dispersion of light, as you can see. Being a BR type bulb, it's not going to be as tight as the PAR style bulbs. One thing I can see through the camera is you might notice a slight pulsation. This camera runs at 25 frames per second. And of course the electrical mains is 60 Hertz here in the US. So we're getting a little bit of pulsing. So unfortunately you can't use these lights for video work. That's kind of a shame. I was hoping I could. But as far as my eye can tell, the colors look very nice. On the kilowatt meter, it's showing 15.3 or 2. It kind of jumps around. It's rated to draw 15 watts. So, yeah, it's pretty darn close. Power factor, look at that. That is excellent. 0.99. The highest power factor possible would be 1. And of course it showed 1 there a bit, but it's jumping back and forth around 98 to 1. So the power factor is very, very good. Excellent for this type of bulb. Okay, let's check out the dimmability. I have this old dimmer I got back in the 1980s. Let's see how it works. I'll turn it up. Yeah, turn the bulb on first. There we go. We'll dim it down. Very nice. It goes out. And I'll crank it up brighter and brighter. Of course, the camera adjusts its exposure so you really don't see the effect like I can, but it really dims down nicely. So now it's pretty dim. As for buzzing, extremely quiet bulb. I have to put my ear right up to it to hear any buzz, and it's very low. So you're not going to hear any buzzing from these bulbs at all in normal use. So there you have it, the Cree 100 watt BR30 light bulb. For general use, it is a very nice high quality bulb, one of the nicer bulbs that I've encountered. Definite thumbs up for that. Now, as for a special application, I was hoping to use it for a video light, but unfortunately it does flicker with the camera somewhat. But that's par for the course with dimmable light bulbs. Something with the electronics inside that when they're dimmable, they tend to flicker more than the non-dimmable LED bulbs. So I guess I should look that direction for a poor man's video light, rather than spend a decent amount of money on actual video light gear. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.